Hello friends, today I am here to tell you something about Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is an ancient Indian text which is also called Gita or Bhagavad Gita and is being considered to be a universal truth which has been influencing people all over the world. The word Bhagavad means God and Gita means a song which together make it as the song of God. The religious spiritual book is a part of Mahabharata. As you all know, Bhagavad Gita was originally spoken by Lord Krishna to Pandava, Prince Arjuna, in the battleground when he felt weak while fighting against the Kauravas and his friend, relatives in opposition. At this particular moment, Lord Krishna dedicated the Gita Gyan to Arjun, and from the very particular moment, this book has been considered to be a holy book which helped the people in knowing more about self, God, soul, liberation, yoga, dharma, and much more. There are basically 12 reasons why we should read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. They are as follows. First, clear self doubt. Second, dharma. Third, yoga. Fourth, path toward aim. Fifth, to get know more about yourself. Sixth, knowledge about soul. Seventh, purpose of our body. Eighth, path to get closer to God. Ninth, purpose of birth and soul. 10th, attain moksha. 11th, attachment with God. 12th, universe a part of God. Here we are with all the major 12 reasons to read Bhagavad Gita. First, clear self doubts. It helps in clearing self doubts which most of us face time to time. If you ever face those, then Bhagavad Gita help you in clearing all those doubts by telling you an exact answer. Even Arjuna was facing these doubts before starting Mahabharata war, and thus Lord Krishna dedicated all the Gita to him. This helped him clear all his doubt, and after that only he was convinced to fight. Next is dharma. Dharma is equal to duty. Gita help in knowing what dharma is. Those who do not know what dharma means or how it can be followed, then Gita is what you should read. Gita show every aspect and step of dharma. Even if you have any question about your own dharma, then also Gita help in solving that. Is yoga. It tell you a lot of information about different yoga like karma yoga, jnana yoga, etc. Yoga plays important role in our lives, and Gita show exactly that, but due to modernization, we almost left yoga behind. So it also help in learning different type of yoga. Next is path toward aim. If you do not know what your aim is, then you must read Gita. It won't exactly tell you what your aim is, but it will definitely show you the path to which you can easily recognize your aim. It clears your mind from unnecessary thought, and you are only left with one thing, and that's your aim. Next is get to know more about yourself. If you want to know more about yourself and what you should be doing in this life, Gita help you with that as well. It tell you how you should be living your life and make it more meaningful. Next is knowledge about soul. Knowledge is about the soul is very less if we take a route through science. But Gita explain a lot about the soul. Next is purpose of our body. Gita also tell that how our body is made of 5 elements and what the use of our body in the world. Most importantly, it tell about the purpose of having a body when the soul is already undestroyed. Next is path to get closer to God. Bhagavad Gita show you the path to get closer to God. If followed properly, then you can get the depth of knowledge behind one with the God. Next is purpose of birth and soul. It also explains that why our soul is indestructible and why it takes rebirth again and again with the different bodies, and also tell that what should be our purpose during the particular birth. Next, attain moksha. It shows us different way to attain moksha. It is a state of mind in which we do our work and still do not think about anything in return or the benefits. Next is attachment with God. It shows that how you can live your life without getting an attachment for material thing, and the only attachment you can have is toward God. Next is universe, a part of God. Bhagavad Gita also tell that how everything is universe is a part of God. Even the human beings are also a part of God. No matter how much we learn or succeed, the only thing that will matter is what we did for a good for everyone. These are the some of the major reasons because of which we should read Bhagavad Gita and should also try to follow the knowledge of life. This helps in knowing the real purpose of our life, and it also helps in every turn of our life, whether it's just about clearing doubts or knowing what is right or wrong. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel to get more updates.